Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about deactivate your web browser's extensions. You can get more out of your web browsers by utilizing various extensions. Sometimes, though, one or more of these add-ins interface with your browser's core functionalities causing various issues. Your reCAPTCHA problem may be the result of a faulty extension, maybe a result of a faulty extensions. In this case, disable your extensions and see if you can submit the reCAPTCHA enable reCAPTCHA-enabled online forms. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.